Namaste. My name is JVN Rishi Gautam from Department of Journalism. Today's topic is 13 simple journalist techniques for effective interviews. First point is find a good location. Second point is prepare your goals ahead of time. Third is write down your questions. Fourth point is work on your flow. Work on your flow. Next point is think about the medium, etc. My first point is find a good location. Avoid Starbucks. It's often easiest to suggest a centrally located corporate coffee shop, but if there is any way you can interview in a place that has some relevance to the story or your subject, you will have much greater success, not only because you will gain a further sense of context, but people are often more comfortable when they are in a familiar place or what feels like their territory. Second point is prepare your goals ahead of time. Know what questions you are going to ask and why you are going to ask them. Heading to an interview with a sense of what you want to get out for it. A colorful reenactment of an event and on the record opinion on the issue you are covering, general background, etc. is critical to conducting a successful interview. Next point is write down your questions. Be sure and write prepared questions. Be sure and be sure and bring prepared questions with you. I usually go into an interview with twice as many questions as I expect to ask. The security of knowing I am not going to get stuck helps my confidence, and you never know what question will get you the information you are really looking for. Work on your flow. This is probably the most challenging but also the most important interview skill you can develop. You want to strike a balance between a conversation which helps make your subject feel comfortable and adds candor, and getting the job done. As your subject is answering your question, be thinking about what you will ask next and why. The flow of questions needs to seem natural and conversational. Don't spin your subject off on a completely different topic just because that's the next question on your list. Think about segues and transitions. This way, your subject doesn't feel forced to give you sound bites and may open up a little, particularly important for anyone working on an audio piece where you may need blocks of the raw interview. Think about the medium. Interviewing techniques definitely vary for different mediums. If you are interviewing for audio or video, you want to ask two-part questions, which encourages subjects to talk for longer blocks of time. Conversely, when you are interviewing for print, try and break questions up so you can get shorter and more concise answers. Easier for taking notes and for questioning letter. You can be more conversational with interviews for print. You can say yeah and you, etc. Thank you.